This is a short video on how to replace the computer on your Chevy or Chevy pickup truck or General Motors. It's all the same. It's located behind the glove compartment. You have to remove the glove compartment. It has 4 screws on the bottom, and the computer may have a bracket in there. Here I'm just showing you what it looks like when you take it out, the inside. Okay, and all these computers are basically interchangeable, even though they come with different serial numbers on them. That's just to identify the make of the vehicle, but and they're interchangeable because all you have to do is pull out that large chip you see on the left there, I'm pointing out, and plug it into your new computer. That doesn't usually go bad at all. What does burn is those little chips you see on the right. Okay, and you can also smell the burns. That's how some people find out if they can't see the burn when they're bad. But the chip that identifies the vehicle usually does not burn at all, and you want to move that to your new computer, even though it will have a different number on it. You can put your own number on it after you move the chip. You could write that on the box and scratch out the existing one if you want. There's the chip that usually burns out those little guys, one of those little guys in a way, as I'm showing you, and this is the chip that you would pull. It's easy to pull. It's just in a socket. Might need a tiny screwdriver to help it up. This is what they look like on the outside. It has little windows that you can remove to get at the chip if you don't want to open the whole box. Doesn't really matter. And you'll see different serial numbers for these boxes, okay, but they're identical inside. Don't let it fool you. So, and sometimes they're plugged in the side. Now those are different, so you'll have to get one of those unless you can match up the wiring. Okay, here we go with another one, and it has the window on the side for replacing the chip. Here I'm just showing you the computer opened again, and there it is again. And thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com for more great ideas and books and patents that I have, and check out my latest book. It's called Presidential Treason of Three Stooges. It's available from Amazon. It's really great if you want to see how bad Obama was, or Clinton. Okay, treason, very, very bad. Check it out from Amazon. Thank you again.